Hello students, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be solving the assignment number 29 on the topic atomic structure. Let's move on to the assignment. Here the first question, the spectrum of an atom is known as, right? So at what time can we study the spectrum? So whenever an atom excited to ground state to higher state energy levels, so if that atom if excited to higher state energy level, then it's emitted to higher energy level to lower energy level, right? Then it will emit the electromagnetic radiation. So to study that electromagnetic radiation, we use spectrum. So to study an atom electromagnetic emitted radiation, spectrum is called as emission spectrum. Because here the atom is emitted the electromagnetic radiation, that is the radiation is emitting by an atom. So we are studying that emitting electromagnetic radiation spectrum. So that spectrum is called as emission spectrum, right? The correct option is second option, that is emission spectrum. Let's move on to the next question. The question is transition of an electron from n equal to 3 to n equal to 1 level results in. So here they have given two levels, one is n equal to 3, another one is n equal to 1. So we can say that electron is transition from higher energy level to lower energy level, right? So n equal to 3 to n equal to 1. But here the question is the transition is coming from higher to lower, but it is not coming from the adjacent levels. So the transition is happening from higher energy level to lower energy level. So there is n number of higher energy levels are there. From n equal to n2, from n equal to 2, n equal to 1, n equal to 3. So the transition is happening some random lines, but that transition is also higher energy level to lower energy level. So this kind of spectrum is called as, this kind of results we can observe in a spectrum. That spectrum is called as emission spectrum. That spectrum is called as emission spectrum. So the correct option is second option, right? Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, transition of an electron from n equal to 3 to n equal to 2 level results in, right? So here also they have given two levels. One is n equal to 3, another one is n equal to 2. But here the transition is happening at adjacent levels. This is happening in higher level energy to lower, but the lines are adjacent to each other. So this kind of results we can observe in a spectrum, that is in the visible spectrum. So the correct option is second option. In visible spectrum we can observe the transition in adjacent levels. So here they have given n equal to 3 to n equal to 1. So those two lines are adjacent to each other. So we can observe these kind of results in a spectrum. The spectrum is visible spectrum. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, among the 5 lines of Lyman, Balmer, Paschen and Brackett series in hydrogen spectra, which one has the higher energy? So we know that hydrogen atom give a spectrum, that is emission spectrum. In that spectrum, number of series of lines we can observe. So each and every series of lines can divide into different lines. So those are Lyman, Balmer, Paschen and Brackett lines, right? So the difference between these lines are the energy transition from higher energy level to lower energy level, right? So among these lines, the Lyman series has higher energy. So here the higher energy series is Lyman series. So the correct option is first option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, what are the values of N1 and N2 respectively for H beta lines in the Lyman series of hydrogen spectrum? So what is the H beta, right? H beta is difference between the higher energy level and lower energy level. So here higher energy level is N2 and lower energy level is N1. So here we need to find the H beta for Lyman series. So what is the condition for Lyman series? The Lyman series condition is the N greater than or equal to 2 to N equal to 1. N equal to 1. That means the difference between the energy level should be always equal to the 1. So just see the options. Which one get the energy difference between the lines is equal to 1? So the first one is 3 and 5. So here N1 is 3 and N2 is 5. So H beta equal to N2 minus N1. That is 3 minus 5, which is equal to 2. So in the second option, 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. In the third option, 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. In the fourth option, 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. If you see the second option, which is completely satisfy the condition of Lyman series, that is N greater than or equal to 2 to N equal to 1, right? So the correct option is second option. I hope you understand very well, and thank you very much.